In this video, I'm gonna share with you a resume tip so good, you'll wonder why nobody told you about this before. And the best part, it takes under 60 seconds to learn. Timer, please. It's called the Google XYZ method, and it looks like this. Accomplished X as measured by Y by doing Z. Using this formula, you will be able to transform boring statements into impactful statements, the kind that get noticed on resumes. And here's an example of what I mean. Before the Google XYZ method, a statement might look something like this. Emailed weekly event reminders to HOAs leading to higher event attendance. But after the Google XYZ method, your statement might look something like this. Improved community event attendance by 40% by implementing an automated email reminder sequence for HOAs. There you go, a simple way to level up your resume in under 60 seconds. Here's why this method works so well. It takes an ordinary statement that simply tells what you've been doing and transforms it into one that not only shows the impact on the company or the department, but also how you did it. And on top of that, when you use numbers, you are going to draw their eyes to that statement. I mean, think about it. If I gave you a block of text and wrote out 110%, it would just get lost in that. But if I typed out 110%, your eyes are automatically drawn to that. And when your eyes are drawn to it, you're most likely going to read it and you're most likely to keep reading. And that's what you want to do with your resume. You want to keep them reading. And if you're getting value from this video, make sure to like and subscribe below. And also with the Google XYZ method, it is so great because it doesn't matter if your experience is paid or not paid. So if you are returning from a career break, you can use this method for statements in your career break section. Let's take a look at this method in action for a position that you might have volunteered for. Now, a boring ho-hum statement would be volunteer for the school fundraiser. Now let's level that up with the Google XYZ method. And it's gonna look something like this. Increased Boone Elementary's annual fundraiser attendance by 50% over the previous year by creating a customized marketing plan in one cause. Boom, you have just shown an impact that your skills in one cause has had to the school fundraiser. That is way better than volunteered for a school fundraiser. So whether or not you've been paid for a position is irrelevant. If what you're doing adds value, then the Google XYZ method is going to work for you. And a helpful hint for using the Google XYZ method is to color code it. I like to take the 3 sections and give them a specific color. So accomplished X, I would put in green. As measured by Y, I would put in red. And then by doing Z, I would put in blue. And that just ensures that I am hitting all of the points. If I come up with a statement and it's not hitting all those points, then I know that I haven't used the Google XYZ method appropriately. And now a common question is, do I have to use this for all of my statements? No, but you should be using them for some of the statements. Now that you know this resume game changer and you're starting to land interviews, you're gonna wanna check out my video here where I talk about interview secrets they don't tell you about, but that you should definitely know.